are tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, I am standing in my bathroom, in my guest bathroom, but I will not be doing my bathroom today, so I am going to be giving my plants a bath. That's right, you heard me. I am going to be giving my plants a bath. I know a lot of you guys been asking me, how do I keep my plants so healthy and looking all good and shiny? Well, I'm going to reveal that secret today. I'm going to let you know how I give my plants a bath and how I make it shine. Okay, so if you are interested, just keep watching. This is one of Mom's plants that I received as we was funeralizing her. This is a peace lily, and you get these plants mostly during funeral time. And I had even named my little plants here. I still got my pick, guys. This is my little plant called Angel. And it came from my son and my daughter and family. So, and as you can see, they got on it, "We love you, Big Mom, my queen." Her name was Queen Victoria Williams. So some of us call her my queen, and some of us call her, well, to me, she's my queen and my angel. But anyway, I just want to show you what this plant is looking like. See how dull it's looking. I gave it a bath, but it was like a few months ago. It's time to give it another bath, guys. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is called the Miracle Gro Leaf Shine. Okay, and it beautifies your plant as well as give it that sheen. So first we're going to go ahead on, and I'm just going to run me some water here. And so I got my water running, and I'm just going to be using, this is, I don't use much of this, okay, this Dawn dishwater detergent. I just put a few drops in it. Okay, so that's going to be enough for me. And so what I'm going to do here is I got me just a regular cloth here. You can get any type of soft material. And I'm just going to give it a bath, leaf by leaf. So let me show you how I do this. Shows you my cloth, and I'm just going to wet it. Now this is time consuming because I take my plants and I go on the top and the bottom. See there? And I would do each plant like this. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to some music as I clean my plant. Okay guys, so now I'm going to let my plants dry for maybe about 10-15 minutes, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm going to let it dry for about 15 minutes because I want it to be completely dry before I put my shine on it, and that way my shine, my leaves will accept my leaf shine. Okay. Okay, well, I will be back. Okay, guys, so I am back. And here is my water here. It's not that dirty. Well, my plant wasn't dirty. I mean, not real dirty. And anyway, just don't look at my sink. I know my sink is dirty. I got to clean up. That's what I'm doing now, cleaning plants and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what my plant is looking like. See how dull that is looking right now? But that's going to change, guys. My plants are going to be beautiful. Okay, so let me go ahead on and spray everything down so you can see these beautiful plants. See this beautiful plant. Okay, so we are back. And I am getting ready to spray some of this leaf shine on it. So stick in there with me and let's get to it. Okay, so we are just going to lightly spray. You don't have to worry about going underneath the bottom unless you want to, but I just do my top most of the time, and I just go through them right quick. Let me take this out. I don't want to. So see how I'm just lightly spraying those leaves. So what I do is I give it about 5 minutes so it can soak in a little bit, and then I come back and I do my little final thing to it. So I will see you in about 5 minutes. So now that the solution has spread itself all over each leaf and the excess, I'm just going to take my dry cloth and I'm just going to go in and gently pat each leaf. Okay guys, you tell me what you think. Here is a leaf that is all shiny now, and I showed you what it looked like before. And this is a close-up look here. See how shiny that baby is there? Let me turn her around. Can you tell the shine on it? That is awesome. Okay guys, I thank you for watching. Leave me comments. Always leave comments because comments help my channel. So this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future. The future looks good on you. Be blessed. Bye-bye.